guys, I am presenting you about rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is collection and storage of rain water that runs off from rooftops, parks, roads, open ground, etc. This water run off can be either stored or recharged into the groundwater. This picture shows rain water falling on roof. Rain water roof collected through conduit. Through conduit, water collected in water tanks. Use of water from rain water harvesting, irrigation, washing clothes, watering gardens, plants and flowers, washing car and many more.